that it? Is that a 380?
I'm scared.
Holy crap!
Oh, it's fine.
Ow! Oh, behind.
Damn, that's a lot of shit just coming in.
Rhino!
There you are, big boy.
Woo!
Oh, there's another one.
Second one. Oh, 3 of them.
Oh!
Please don't kill me. Okay. Whew.
Dude, this thing just melts.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! Thank you. Next. Bread and democracy, one alien at a time. What you got?
Oh,
I'm dead. I want more democracy! Back up! Get back! Get back! Y'all forget I have unlimited ammo here.
oh shit.
This
I got
looks
that
like it
one.
needs some of this. Matt,
Oh,
run.
God.
Haha!
Nice.
Damn, good shot.
That killed him.
Run away, Nico! Run away!
Is that it?
Nico!
Is that a 380? Y'all threw me into the war zone. Melt like butter. This is by far my favorite gun. Woo! Fireworks. Oh, jeez.
Fuck off with your fucking tongue.
What? Die! Run, Rez, run!
Oh, criminy.
Have you heard about democracy? He had not. How about you?
Shit.
Woo! We got
that's
100%
it.
on this mission.
We should, yes.
Nice! Yeah, taste democracy. Nerds! Y'all got nothing. I have many concerns for you, Schneider. Jesus. Thanks for the raid.
Let's go!
What do you call an avocado that walks to church?
What?
Holy guacamole. What you got? No, I'm out. Oh, my game crashed?
My game
No.
crashed too.
It did?
Yeah.
I quit.
Holy
Fucking
shit.
join you guys.
Yeah.
What just happened?
Murder.
But you got bugs? Ah! Guys, I'm on fire. Flamethrower is bad for me.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, flamethrower. Hell yeah.
How far does the flame go?
Wherever it needs to. Don't do anything stupid.
Have you met me?
Yes, I have.
Is that why you're saying that?
Perhaps.
Should we show Nico robots
Yes.
on hard?
I'm down for hard.
I know, little bitch.
Wait, Nico.
Uh-huh.
It's time to drink water.
That too.
Got you, coming in.
Oh my god, there's 2 holes. Oh my god.
Just
dude.
aim for the back.
We got
Oh,
We're
Shit.
defending. Oh, shit. No
defense.
wonder it's so chaotic.
oh no.
What the? Oh, it's an AT-8!
I think it's safe over here.
Bro, I was just standing there too.
You stood on a mine.
Oh. Hey guys, I'm on my way down.
Oh,
I had the stem.
Oh. How did I die? To myself.
shit.
Oh.
Well,
that's unfair. That
I
is
died immediately.
unfair.
Oh my god. I have like nowhere to go. I'm scared.
Holy crap!
Yeah, so how do you like the robots?
I hate them. I hate everything about them. I'm just chucking things, Hail Mary shots kind of thing. Oh!
Oh shit.
Ooh!
Not go that way.
Ooh! Ah!
No, Riz.
We beat the mission as long as one person
No!
can evac.
Let's do it!
Full send.
I'm not dying. Mark my words.
Be careful, Nico.
Ooh!
I'm sending him.
Woo!
Oh, it's fine.
Ow! Oh, behind.
No.
I'm laying straight on him. I killed him.
Fucking Hulk.
I found a tank. Woo! Whoa.
No.
Oh. Matt killed me? Oh, bad news.
Saturn, you picked the 2 worst missions to play. Oh god.
The laser.
Oh! Godspeed, gentlemen.
Kill. Oh, fuck. No, fuck you. Damn it.
I am ready to go blow someone up.
There's buddies on top.
Oh, hey guys, welcome in. Welcome to Denny's.
Welcome
Hi,
to Denny's.
welcome to Chili's.
Yeah, can I take your order?
Nico, at
Nico,
some
you
point,
better
think-
get the hell out of there.
Bruh, I'm chilling. Have you met me?
Oh, back up, back up, back up, back up.
Oh my god. Oh, the chargers are not. Oh yeah. Whoa. Nico, what are you doing alone?
I'm fighting for democracy!
I killed you before it got off. What?
Oh,
Right there, I see it.
Quit bouncing around.
thrown an orbital on our location, run!
Shit.
Start running, I threw an orbital!
Oh, shit.
Nico, you got 15 seconds.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Please leave him, please leave him, please leave him.
Woo!
That's what this game is all about, baby.
Hell yeah.